Hello, John Bloodworth Gentleman Crafter here with a bit of information about Brother, and in particular your scan and cut. Now, I've recently heard that they're releasing a new app in a couple of weeks, and that app is called Artspira. Now, I've tried to do as much research as I can, but at the moment there is still very little information, so I'll try and give you what I've got. In fact, I will give you what I've got, and then we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So basically the official blurb from Brother states Artspira is a cloud-based design platform. We're used to those with Canvas Workspace, where you can easily create, edit and design all within one app, then transfer your creations wirelessly to your Brother wireless local area network or Wi-Fi enabled machine. Now the app is designed for both embroidery and scan and cut machines, so there will be some content not relevant to you if you're not into embroidery, but let's dig a bit deeper. So what mobile devices will this work on? Now the official website says this app is set to be released with both iOS and Android enabled mobile phones and tablets in mind. So you should be able to download it from their respective stores. Now the one thing that I can't find out at the moment is whether it's going to be geographically locked. It's been announced on the Brother USA website, but as yet, or to this point, I can't find out if it's going to be released worldwide. So we'll need to keep an eye on that. What scan and cut models will it work with? Now again, because it's been announced on the American or the US website, it does list US model numbers, but the one thing that I did notice was that it only listed SDX models, not CM. I have reached out to Brother for clarity on that. As yet I haven't heard back, so again I'll update you if and when I get some info on that. Is this a Canvas Workspace app? From what I've read and seen, no. There will be some editing tools available in the app, but I don't see this being Canvas Workspace as an app. We'll still need to use Canvas Workspace for mobile. Can I log in with my Canvas Workspace account? Sadly, again, at the moment this isn't clear. I don't know whether you'll need to register a new account or use your old login details. I would hope that you could use your current details because that would be most useful. Is the app free? I've not seen anywhere a price tag. So from what I've heard and read and seen, yes, it is free. There will be new designs available each week and month, much like we get in Canvas Workspace. Again, no idea if they're going to be free or paid. We'll have to keep an eye out. Now, believe it or not, that is literally all I can give you right now. I will leave a link in the blog post that accompanies this video to the official landing page for the app announcement, and also for the official teaser video from Brother, which doesn't really give much information, but it'll give you an idea of what the app will look like. But anyway, it's coming out in 2 weeks' time. In fact, by the time this video goes live, under 2 weeks' time. So we'll just have to wait and see. I will do a video once it's released, if we can get it in the UK, and show you around and see what it's like. But in the meantime, there's a bit of goss for you.